Hello student of class 11. This is the continuation video of AP. I will start sum number 19(4). S equal to 1 by 1.4 plus 1 into 4, 4 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 10 up to n terms. Here I consider first term, this is first term, this is first term, that means 1, 4, 7. Here first term is 1, first term 1, common difference 3. Here Tn equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into 3. This is equal to 1 plus 3n minus 3, that is 3n minus 2. And second term 4, 7, 10. If I consider this one, so first term 4, common difference 7, common difference 3, Tn equal to 4 plus n minus 1 into 3, this is 3n plus 1. So I can write it in this way. This equal to 1 by 3n minus 2 minus, this is 3n minus 2 and 3n plus 1. Okay. Tn equal to this. This can be written in this way, 1 by 3n minus 2 minus 1 by 3n plus 1. Okay. So Tn equal to 1 by 3, first one is 1 minus 1 by 4. T2 equal to 1/3, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 7. And in this way I will get Tn. So Sn equal to T1 plus T2 plus up to Tn. So I will write second term, first term cancel out. So Sn equal to, I will get 1 minus last term, that is 1 by 3n plus 1. So this equal to 1 by 3, 3n plus 1 minus 1, that is 3n plus 1. So n by 3n plus 1, this is Sn. Right. If the sum of the first p terms of an AP equal to sum of the first q terms, so we have to find p plus q, sum of the p plus q term equal to 0. If this is sum number 19, this is sum number 20. If first term is, let first term equal to a and common difference equal to d. So Sp equal to p by 2, 2a plus p minus 1 into d, and Sq equal to q by 2, 2a plus q minus 1 into d. Here Sp equal to Sq, that means this equal to this. So p by 2, 2a plus p minus 1 into d, this equal to q by 2, 2a plus q minus 1 into d. So I can write ap minus aq, this equal to d by 2, q minus 1 into d, q into q minus 1 minus p into p minus 1, this a p minus q, and d by 2, q square minus p square minus q plus p, this equal to d by 2, q minus p is common here. This is q minus p, q plus p minus q minus p d by 2 q minus p q plus p minus 1. Here this is equal to, I can write it q minus p, so minus is taken common from here, so this cancel out. So I will get p plus q minus 1, this equal to minus 2a, right? We have to find sp plus q. This is equal to p plus q by 2, 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d. From here I can write p plus q minus 1 into d equal to minus 2a. So 2a minus 2a, this equal to 0. Okay. I am ending here.